Come here, Moosey. Come here, Moosey. Yeah. Come on, big boy. You're making good TV today. All right, world. Here you go, Mud. Here we go, world. Hold on, we can see, world. Come on, the camera and shut down on me. Look at that white bass, world. Yeah, white bass there. Look at that, world. Look in his mouth. June ball hula stick. Ned rig, baby. See what a Ned rig get you? There we go. First fish of the day. First fish of the day, old Slam Shady, world. I've been speckled trout fishing, world, and I came up with this little exposed hook. I got a piece of braid on the inside. I don't know if y'all can see it when I stretch it, but there's a piece of braid on the inside I wrap on the hook to keep it in there. Because if you super glue just the shank of the hook, it'll still slide out after a couple of fish. But if you wrap some braid around the shank of the hook about this far down, and then you stick it in the bait with super glue, it'll never come off. Well, it'll take a lot of fish to come off. And that's what I like to use right now. Because it's winter time and there's not a lot of structure. There's not a lot of grass, so I don't have to worry about being as weedless. And with the exposed hook, it's like Ned rig fishing almost. Every little tip bite, I'm catching them because the hook is exposed. I don't have to set and drive the weedless hook in right now. So it's been helping. It was working really good with the speckled trout, but it's also working really good with the bass. So until I have to go weedless, I'm gonna go exposed hook. All right, world, let me get back to fishing. Martian. Oh. All right. I got one rigged up with that 1/8 of an ounce. I got the 16th on right now. I was doing really well, but I might have to put that 1/8 on. Down a little quicker. Oh! Got caught in the grass with one hit at it. It wasn't nothing big, still. I catch him. There's a kepper. Oh. 4. 4 fish and no keepers. But I'd rather have 4 fish than no fish. Think he gonna keep? Yeah, he look like a little grease stinker. Look like he'll make the grease stink, bro. Yeah, that'll make the grease stink. Back to back. We got one between here. Yeah. Uh-oh, getting a bite. Come on, keep it, keep it. There he is. That's a keeper there. Slam Shady, baby. Oh, man. Slam Shady, baby. There you go. Move her up. Careful. Yeah, that'll make some groceries right there. That'll definitely make some groceries, world. Oh, Slam Shady. Hey, sitting there. That's one thing about that Elastec. It'll be sitting there floating. The fish will pick it up. Yeah, he full of, look at that belly. He full of shad, Sean. Pogies. That's 6, but I only got 2 on the board. Snapper. Oh, that makes the grease stink. Really biting. I should keep him, but yeah. All right, world. Got a nice sized alligator right there. When I come around this corner, he gonna ditch. Y'all check him out. That big old alligator right there. He ain't even moved yet. He just sunning. It's like, forget you, man. Big old gatey. He ain't even worried about the Martian. Like, man, Martian, I ain't worried about you. I'm out here sunning, enjoying this sunshine. Go on about your business. Yes, sir. You enjoy yourself, Mr. Gatey. Have a nice day. Martian. Out. You're right. Look at my boy over there catching the trout on me, world. Got him. Got him a nice keeper trout on me. Martian got to see if he can get in the game, coach. Oh, yeah. There we go. Hello, world. Set trying to move back here on us. My boy tried to put me on him back there, but hello, world. Hello, world. That's a keeper spec right there, world. We live action. Slam shady, baby. He wasn't getting off either. Slam shady. That's a keeper. I don't even have to measure him. You're right, world. See if we can get some more of them. There we go. Another speck, number 2. Yeah, baby. I don't know if he gonna keep. He might be a little small. We're gonna measure his butt. Okay. Right here. Almost. There we go. Ooh. Good trout there, baby. Good trout there, bro. Butt in here. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Slam shady, baby. Yeah, that's beautiful, bro. Beautiful. They knocking it. They quick. It's not no little regular thunk, and you know you got them. Ooh-wee. Get your butt in here. Gotta get to the side where I show y'all this nice speck. Right. He nailed it too, bro. Nice speck. Yeah. Go. Go, bro. Finesse him. I don't look like he's big enough, but got a track. What's the alligator? Where the specs at? See the old gator world? He up there sunning. He about to give us a show. He trying to act like a statue. Say, hey, world. Oh boy. I see I got a trot, y'all. I don't got a bass. Oh wee! Son of a bun of a bee! Damn, it was a good trouble.